Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix Steam no internet connection error. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Check if your internet connection is stable or not. Steam often shows this error when the network is weak. If needed, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the issue still continues, go to your App Store or Play Store. Tap on the search option at the bottom right side. This will allow you to search for the Steam app. Now we'll check if an update is available. At the top search bar, type Steam. From the results, select Steam mobile app. Open its store page to view details. Now check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap it immediately. Wait for the update to finish installing. Outdated versions can cause connection errors. After updating, try opening Steam again. If the problem is still not fixed, restart your phone. A restart clears temporary bugs and network issues. After restarting, reconnect your internet again. Then open Steam to check if it works properly. And that's how you can easily fix Steam no internet connection error step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.